Here at Carter from Howard's in Dorchester, just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Kona. This particular one is a premium 1 litre GDI 120 brake horsepower petrol with the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular car is in Tangerine Comet metallic. It was registered September 2018 on a 68 plate, as you can see, and has currently only done 14 miles. Now, the car was pre-registered to Hyundai UK Motor Company themselves, so they're the first keepers and the only keepers currently on the registration document. Now, we're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. I hope you enjoy the video.